Colors. Have you ever hesitated when choosing the right color in English while shopping for clothes or decorating your home? In this video, learn the names of colors in English and eliminate this problem. Primary colors. In traditional color theory, RYB model, the three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. These colors are fundamental because they cannot be created by mixing other colors. Instead, they serve as the basis for creating a wide spectrum of other colors through various combinations. Red. Red is a warm, vibrant color often associated with strong emotions such as love, passion, and danger.
Red roses symbolize love. I go swimming every morning was on the table.
Yellow. Yellow is a bright, cheerful color that evokes feelings of happiness, energy, and sunshine.
The sun appears yellow in the sky. The room was painted a bright yellow.
Blue. Blue is a cool, calming color often associated with tranquility, stability, and depth.
Jeans are usually blue. She wore a blue scarf that matched her eyes.
Secondary colors. In traditional color theory, RYB model, secondary colors are created by mixing two primary colors in equal parts. These colors include orange, green, and purple. Orange. Orange is a warm and energetic color obtained by mixing red and yellow. It is often associated with creativity, enthusiasm, and warmth.
Oranges are usually orange in color. The autumn leaves have turned orange and red.
Green. Green is a calming and natural color obtained by mixing yellow and blue. It is often associated with nature, growth, and freshness.
Grass is green. The green color of the walls adds a sense of calm to the room.
Purple. Purple is a royal and mysterious color obtained by mixing red and blue. It is often associated with creativity, luxury, and spirituality.
Violets are purple flowers. She wore a beautiful purple dress.
Neutral colors. Neutral colors are colors that don't show up strongly and go well with almost anything. Common neutral colors include black, white, gray, beige, and brown. White. White is a pure and bright color symbolizing purity, simplicity, and light.
Snow is white. She wore a white shirt.
Black. Black is a dark and strong color symbolizing power, mystery, and seriousness.
Coal is black. He wore a black coat.
Gray. Gray is a color between black and white symbolizing balance, neutrality, and seriousness.
Clouds are gray. Mountain rocks are gray.
Beige. Beige is a soft and warm color, a mix of light brown and white, symbolizing simplicity and warmth.
She wore a beige shirt. The room's furniture is beige.
Thanks for watching video.